Hello, everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make use of the first and third person project templates in Unity using Unity's Hub, and we'll be making use of the Hub 3.3, so a more recent version. So I will start by sharing my screen, and I will open up Unity. So I have my Hub down here docked. I click on here. Again, this is my Hub icon, right? Not actual Unity editor. So I'm going to open up my project hub. We'll see this. I see my list of projects. And now if I look over here on the left side, I have installs, learn, and community. Remember, you can hit installs, and this is where you'll download more recent versions of Unity or older versions. You can also download any modules that you need to. So if you want to build for a Mac or a PC or web or iOS or Android, you can download those modules from here. All you have to do is hit on this cog and you'll hit add modules, and you'll see that you can click on whichever one you want to add. Now for this project, I'm going to just say projects and I'm going to hit new project. Again, I'm in the 3.3 Unity Hub here. If you have an older version, you might not have some of the options that I have. So if I hit new project, I have several templates over here on this far left side. I have all templates, core, sample, and learning. If I hit sample, you'll see that I have 2D and 3D scenes, or sorry, 3D scenes with ERP and HDRP. So these are going to be our universal render pipeline and our high definition render pipeline. For these projects, I recommend sticking with ERP, the universal render pipeline. But I'm going to go back to my all templates. And if I scroll down, you'll see that there are several templates off the bat. I usually go with the 3D core if I'm just creating a basic project or an empty project. But if you scroll down, you'll see that there are several projects you can pick from. And if you get down to right about here, we'll see third person core. And if I click on that, I can see that I have my third person there. And I already downloaded my first person core, which is right here. So I'm going to download my third person core template. All I have to do is click on it, and over here on the right side, I'll hit download template. This will take a few seconds or up to a few minutes, depending on your computer. All right. So once I've downloaded this template, I will see on the far right, I can select a project name. I'm going to call this third person template project. And now I can save or choose the location where I want this project to be saved. I'm going to click this folder icon. This is already set for me, but I have a folder on my desktop called Stuff. I have all my stuff in there. And in one of those folders, here we go, is my Unity project. So if I click on this, that's what I'm going to be using. I'm just going to leave that project or leave that folder selected. You can see all my other Unity projects in here. So if I hit Unity projects folder, make sure that folder is selected, I'll hit select, and that should be good. So now I'm going to hit create project. Now, this will take quite a while, especially the first time you open a project in Unity. You need to make your assets and your library folders will all be created. So all this stuff takes some time. And once this is finished, we will jump into the editor. So I'm going to fast forward through here. Okay, my project has imported and been created. The Unity editor is now open, and I have my project open, and my scene is present. If I navigate around the space, again, I can hold right click on my mouse, and I'll get this little eyeball icon with the four little keys. And now, while I'm holding down my right mouse, I can use WASD to move around the space. I can also use Q and E to go up and down on my Y axis or my horizontal space. So now if I look in here, it looks like I have my template all set up. And if I hit the play button, I can now move around and play this game. So this is an easy way to set up your projects without using the package manager, but you can only do this if you're using a more recent version of the Unity Hub. So keep that in mind. I hope this is helpful, and good luck with these projects.